So the big why is that there was a harsh decline in like the oysters. So they're one of like the main filter feeders in the area, and it's what they keeps the waterway all clean.
They catch carbon, which helps with just our general climate. They also provide a habitat for like other marine animals like fiddler and mud crabs and barnacles. So the goal is to get 10,000 oysters in the Elizabeth River by 2025. We're doing this to like get the level grade of the rivers up. So right now the Chesapeake Bay is around the C grade, but we want it to get to an A grade.